There's many objects on a football pitch. The ball, the goalposts, the nets, but there's also an eye-catching object that sits at the extreme corners of the pitch. You've probably never put much thought into it, but why the hell do we need corner flags? It's about time to open our manual and explain the reason behind it. How many times have you seen a player score a goal and grab the corner flag? Is there any other use for it besides starring as a punching bag, a dance partner, or even an air guitar for goal celebrations? To understand the objective and the idea behind the corner flag, we need to go back in time. Like many other things in football, the corner flag, as we know it today, was invented in England in the 19th century. Before that, football had some bizarre rules, but the traditional corner flag was already there to establish the boundaries of the pitch. The game awarded a point when the ball crossed the boundary and touched the grass, similar to a try in modern rugby. When the sport evolved, the organisers replaced this old score system and implemented throw-ins and corners. Then, the corner flag took on a new role. Let's pause for a moment to take a look at the pitch. Look at each corner. If nothing was there to set the boundaries, imagine how hard it would be for the referee and the players to know if the ball had left the pitch. Also, if it wasn't for the flag, the ball could exit the pitch right in the middle of the touchline and the goal line. In this case, is it a corner or a throw? It would be impossible to settle. The corner flag is featured in the first rule of football as a fundamental part of the pitch that can't be ignored. It can't be sharp for obvious reasons, it should be at least 1.5 metres high, and it can't be removed, not even when a player takes a corner. If you're going to celebrate with the flag, make sure you put it back afterwards. Now you ask me, okay, I get the corner pole, but why is there need for a flag on top? Did we forget about this one? No way. This one is easy. The flag exists to draw attention so the players can quickly identify the position of the pole and thus the end of the pitch. But in England, the shape of the flag used to be a big deal. For many years, fans circulated an urban legend that teams who'd won the FA Cup were allowed to use a triangle-shaped flag, whereas clubs who hadn't had to use a square. This myth has since been busted. Still, it's a perfect illustration of why these details, however small, matter so much in football tradition.